Every time you fill up, you're wasting money. Yes, even if you drive a hybrid, even if you use premium fuel, even if you think you're doing everything right, the truth is, one overlooked trick can save you hundreds of dollars every year on fuel. It's simple, it's proven, and your mechanic, your dealership, and even gas stations don't want you to know it. Stick around, because this fuel hack could change how you drive forever. And if you think it's about fuel additives or gimmicks, think again. This one's backed by science. Section 1. The psychology of fuel waste. Why most drivers overspend without realizing it. Let's start with this. According to AAA, the average American spends over $2,000 a year on fuel. More if you own a truck or commute daily. Yet most drivers overspend by up to 20% without realizing it. Why? It's psychological. We believe we're saving time by accelerating hard. We don't question the myth that premium gas equals better. We ignore the long-term cost of short-term driving habits. Your brain is wired for convenience, but your fuel system isn't. Learning to outsmart yourself is the first step to cutting fuel costs. Section 2. The fuel hack. Resetting the fuel trim and teaching your car to run leaner. Yes, your car has a brain, the engine control unit, ECU. Over time, it learns your driving habits. But here's the issue. If you've driven inefficiently or changed driving conditions, new elevation, tires, weather, fuel type, your ECU adjusts fuel delivery to match, often overcompensating. The solution? A fuel trim reset. How to do it? Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. Reconnect. Turn key to on for 30 seconds. Start engine and let idle for 5 minutes with all accessories off. Drive gently for the next 20 to 30 miles. Result, you just retrained your ECU to recalibrate for optimal efficiency. Warning, resetting also clears radio presets and may affect idle for a day. But it works, especially after sensor replacements, injector cleaning, or spark plug changes. Section 3. Tire pressure, the $100 a year mistake. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, dragging your fuel economy down by as much as 3%. Real-world math, average driver, 12,000 miles per year. 25 miles per gallon drops to 24 miles per gallon. Extra 20 gallons per year equals $80 to $100 lost. Check pressure monthly. Most drivers only check during oil changes, which is far too late. Use a digital tire gauge, less than $10, and inflate to the door jam sticker, not the max PSI on the tire. Bonus tip, in cold weather, tire pressure drops 1 PSI for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't ignore that dash light in the winter. Section 4. Drive like you're hauling eggs. Accelerate smoothly. Your gas pedal is a wallet lever. Hard acceleration floods your engine with fuel, especially in turbocharged or performance-tuned engines. Solution: use a technique called pulse and glide. Accelerate moderately to your target speed. Ease off and coast where possible. Data from Toyota's hybrid driving team shows up to 25% better MPG when using this method. Avoid jackrabbit starts. They burn fuel 2 to 3 times faster. Section 5. Use cruise control, except in these situations. Cruise control maintains steady throttle, ideal for highway fuel savings, especially on flat terrain. But don't use it on hilly roads. It overcompensates on inclines, wet or icy conditions. You'll save up to 7% in fuel economy on steady highways. Pro tip, adaptive cruise with eco mode is even more efficient. Use it when traffic allows. Section 6. Skip premium fuel, unless required. Stop burning dollars. Unless your owner's manual says premium required, you're burning cash. Myth, premium equals cleaner or better performance. Truth, it's just higher octane. Needed only for knock-prone high-compression engines. Most modern engines can compensate. Using premium in a regular engine shows no measurable MPG gain. Annual savings, $100 to $300 per car. Section 7. Keep it light. Every 100 pounds costs you miles per gallon. The EPA estimates that every 100 pounds reduces fuel economy by 1 to 2%. That toolbox in the trunk, that golf bag you never took out, they're costing you fuel. What to do? Clean out the trunk. Remove roof racks or carriers when not in use. Adds drag. Declutter cargo areas regularly. Less weight equals less fuel required to move. Section 8. Engine air filter. Breathe easy. Burn less. A clogged air filter chokes the engine. This means richer fuel mixtures. Less oxygen equals less efficient combustion. Check your filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Replace if dirty. Costs $10 to $25. Bonus insight. Many people clean their filter but forget the mass airflow sensor, which also needs cleaning to maintain proper fuel trim. Section 9. The power of high-quality fuel system cleaners. A dirty injector sprays unevenly, wasting fuel and causing incomplete combustion. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, use a proven cleaner. Techron Royal Purple Max Clean. Liquimoli Jectron. Look for PEA-based formulas. Polyethyramine, the only additive proven to clean combustion chambers and restore injector spray patterns. Result: smoother idle, better MPG, and reduced emissions. Section 10. Synthetic oil saves fuel. Here's how. Synthetic oil flows better at startup, reducing friction and allowing faster warm-up. Lower viscosity synthetics, e.g. 0W20 versus 10W30, reduce internal drag, especially in modern engines. Benefit: up to 2% better fuel economy. Longer intervals between oil changes. Expert tip: don't switch viscosity without checking OEM specs. Section 11. Plan your trips. The hidden gas hog. Cold engines equals poor efficiency. Short trips multiply the warm-up phase, where MPG can drop below 10 MPG. Hack group errands. Drive longer trips first. Avoid peak traffic hours. Result: engine stays in optimal temp zone longer, burning less fuel per mile. Section 12. Tech tools. Fuel-saving apps you should be using. Modern problems, modern solutions. Gas Buddy. Find cheapest fuel nearby. Drivo. Track fuel economy over time. Fuelio. Analyze cost per mile and driving trends. Also use real-time OBD2 tools like Torque Pro, Android, OBD Fusion, iOS. These help you see live MPG, throttle input, fuel trim, data equals insight equals change. Section 13. Shut it down. Idling kills MPG and wallets. Idling for 10 minutes wastes 0.2 to 0.5 gallons of fuel. Adds wear to spark plugs, emission systems. Modern engines warm up faster when driven gently than when left idling. Turn off if you're waiting over 60 seconds. Parked in drive-thrus, long stops. Section 14. Fuel cap matters. Stop vapor loss. A loose or cracked gas cap lets vapors escape. That's money evaporating. Symptoms: check engine light. Evap code. Fuel smell near rear of vehicle. Solution: replace worn caps. $5 to $15. Always click cap tight. 3 clicks minimum. Section 15. Know your gear ratios. Drive in the sweet spot. Most engines are most efficient between 1,500 to 2,500 RPM. Avoid driving too slow in high gears. Lugging. Staying in low gears too long. Use your tachometer as a fuel economy coach. Manual drivers. Shift up early, but not too early. Know your torque band. Section 16. When AC hurts and when it doesn't. Running AC does increase fuel use, but so does open window drag at highway speeds. Best practice: use AC below 45 miles per hour only if needed. Above 45 miles per hour, AC is more efficient than windows down. Pro tip: park in the shade and crack windows to reduce cabin heat buildup, needing less AC blast. Section 17. Engine tune-up. A clean burn saves fuel. Worn spark plugs, misfiring cylinders, clogged PCV valves, they kill combustion efficiency. Schedule tune-ups every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Replace plugs. Clean throttle body. Check coils. Replace PCV. A properly tuned engine uses every drop of fuel more efficiently. Section 18. Fuel hack recap. Stack these tactics for maximum results. Recap the top 10 fuel-saving moves. Reset fuel trim after key maintenance. Inflate tires monthly. Drive smoothly. No hard starts. Use cruise control wisely. Skip premium unless required. Remove excess weight. Change dirty air filters. Use PEA fuel cleaners. Switch to synthetic oil. Plan trips strategically. Implementing just 5 of these can easily save $200 to $400 per year for the average driver. Truck owners, you'll save even more. So now we ask you, which of these hacks are you already using? Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. Your tip might save another viewer hundreds. If this video helped you rethink fuel savings, hit that like button, share with your driving group chat, and subscribe for more high-mileage secrets from real auto experts. Remember, smart driving isn't just about speed, it's about strategy.